To attach the strap to your loops, you'll want to remove both temple tips in order to allow the proper fit of the strap connectors. Slide each connector along the temple arm, just past the point where the temple tip is usually situated. You'll see a difference in the width of the arm, which will help you determine the placement. When setting the connectors in place, be sure that the strap is oriented to the top of the loops, not the bottom. Once both connectors are situated, you can replace the temple tips, sliding them to their original position. With the strap fully extended, place the loops on your face. Allow the strap to fall along the crown of your head and begin to pull the two metal tips of the strap simultaneously forward, causing the strap to lift into position. Once you have the strap in place, pull one of the nylon monofilament tubes all of the way forward. Then, repeat with the other tube while holding the strap in place with your other hand. This allows the strap to keep proper positioning and locks your loops in place, preventing them from falling forward as you work. Push upward on the metal tips of the strap toward the back of your head to loosen the fit. Once fully extended, you can choose to wear your loops around your neck as a lanyard or remove it altogether for setting aside and storing for later. To ensure proper fit, your strap needs to have lift before wearing. If you find it hanging low, you'll just need to flip the strap back under and around to bring it back to the optimal upright position. If the strap doesn't lift properly or hangs low, it will pull down on the back of the loops, thus tilting the scopes upward on your face, causing distortion on what you're viewing. When done using your loops, it's recommended to store them properly in their case. You'll be able to keep your strap on, but first you'll want to make sure that the strap is situated properly with the upward lift. Now, you'll be able to fold the temple arms for storage, which will cross the strap over itself. Then, just fold the strap under the loops. Finally, pull the strap closed. If you're using Eclipse frames, you'll find the strap will tuck neatly into the notches of the shields. Thanks for watching. For more videos about your qoptics loops, subscribe to our channel.